Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located a mere 10 minutes drive from the foot of Red Hills is this wonderful home for sale. It is situated in the cool, breezy, quiet and relaxed environment of Belvedere St. Andrew that offers a suburban rural charm. Upon arrival, it is total serenity. The air is cooler and the feeling is relaxed as you gaze upon the beautiful lush mountains and take in the magnificent city views reaching beyond the Norman Manley International Airport. This is for the astute investor or discerning home buyer that appreciates and yearns for the luxury of serenity and quiet solitude, enjoying the bliss of peacefulness felt. The home comes with 10 ensuite bedrooms, plus helpers' quarters, two generous wraparound balconies, one on the west wing and the other on the private master east wing, large family and dining rooms, swimming pool, enclosed two-car garage, electronic gate, landscaped grounds, and more. This home is perfect for a large family or an Airbnb paradise. Guys, we will now give you a preview of this mansion and an update as soon as more details are provided.
Just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.